Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get more ship slots in World of Warships, so you can keep more ships in your port. Ship slots are important because every ship you own needs one. If you run out of slots, you won't be able to buy new ships unless you sell one or get more slots. The easiest way to get ship slots is by using doubloons, or the real money currency in-game. Go to port, try to buy a new ship when your slots are full, and the game will offer you the option to buy a new slot with doubloons. Another free way is through events and battle pass rewards. Many seasons and special events give ship slots as rewards. So always check the event progress, which is right here. You can also get ship slots from daily login rewards, special missions, campaign rewards, and even event containers. Sometimes ship bundles in the shop also includes a free ship slot, which is a nice bonus if you're already planning to buy a ship. If you're short on slots, you can also sell ships you no longer use, but try to keep the important ones for missions and events. So to sell a ship slot, what you have to do is go to port and find the ship that you don't want to use anymore. Right click, click on sell, and then click on yes. So remember, doubloons equals instant ship slots, events and battle pass equals free slots, and then rewards and containers have bonus chances for ship slots. That's it. That's how you get more ship slots in World of Warships.